y'all. Craig Wall, Georgia Trapping and Fishing. Yesterday I got out here and got some traps set, and this is a pasture where I trapped here last year, got the coyotes out of. So I'll show you the sets I made, and then we'll go check our traps today. I didn't do any filming much yesterday except the traps. So y'all come on along, and I hope you enjoy it. Here's my first set right here. I got I got to put some federale in the hole with some sheep's wool, and I used Trapper J, all predator, and some coyote urine. This same spot I caught 3 or 4 here last year. They seem to come off this draw right through here, off this ridge, and come right across this little creek, come out into this pasture. It's a kind of a point to this pasture, and then you got the woods on this side too. So it's a big open pasture, but some reason they seem to funnel right down off this hillside right here. So we got this trap out, and I'm gonna put a coon trap out probably right over here on one of them trees. Try and keep the coons out of my traps this year. So all right, that'll be set number 1. All right, set number 2. Put it in right here. Got a little backing behind it, the same backing I used last year. I got a little bit of soul taker, windwalker, and some coyote urine. That's all I got on this one, but this goes down out this trail to the next big pasture. We call it the bottoms, and we're right across over that hill is where I put the first set. And of course it goes way on down there, and you got a big creek bottom right here. So I'm going to put out a coon trap on that tree right there. All right, I'm trying something different today. I have never used a rubber jawed trap. I bought this this Bridger one. It's a 1.65, I think they said it was. Looks about like a Duke 1 3/4 to me, but I just wanted to see how it'd hold coyotes out here. That way, I'm thinking about getting some. If they hold okay, some of my jobs where I'm closer into neighborhoods where there's a chance I might get a domestic dog, I thought I'm gonna try this out this year and see how good they hold them. If they hold the coyotes good, I may start using some of these around any place there's a chance of getting a domestic dog. So we'll see how it works. All right, there's my next set. I got Hiawatha Valley, some Gusto, and some red gray fox urine. What it is just coming out of the woods, there's a pretty good little draw. I caught 2 or 3 up here last year. It just comes right down through here, goes right down through this valley into the pasture right here. So it's just a travel way. They seem to like this low area right here. So maybe we'll get another one here this year. All right, this set is gonna be the set Kentucky Prepper 5 asked me to do on a challenge on his not his last video, but I think it was video before last. He challenged about 4 or 5 of us to make some sets that he makes and see who could be the first one to catch a coyote on it. I know he caught one on his Boxy Outdoors set. So we're gonna see if we can't set this set and make a catch for him. He asked me to do a dirt hole set. Dirt hole set with certain baits, and luckily I got all the baits that he told me to use. So we're gonna see if we can't make us a catch on this set right here. This is the I think the 4th trap on my line. I hadn't got a lot of traps out yet, but hopefully I'll get 10 in the ground today. Then I'll work on the other ones tomorrow. Bedded pretty tight there. If y'all don't have Kentucky Prepper 5, I appreciate if y'all go over there and show him some love. He's got a great channel. He makes a lot of good catches too. I'll leave a link. Most of my friends on here's got him, but just in case you don't, I'll leave a link to his channel in my description page. He's made some good catches already this year. So we'll see if we can't get one made on this. Stoney's made some good catches this week. Y'all need to go over and check out Stoney's channel. I'll leave a link to that channel too, just in case y'all don't have Stoney. Not gonna tell you what all he caught, because I don't know if he's made the video or not yet, but he's had a good week. This is just the first day out here for me. I got a lot of catching up to do on these coyotes. I stayed doing beavers too long, so we'll hopefully get out here and catch a few coyotes out here for this fella. I'm back out in that cattle farm I trapped last year. I think he said he's had 19 calves already, so before it's over I think he'll wind up having about 49, 50 calves. So hopefully coyotes ain't took nothing yet. He didn't mention they did. All right, see if I can get this out of here. That's probably gonna be deep enough anyway, but yeah, we'll go with that. I think that'll be all right. I'm gonna try and get out about, I don't know, 25 or 30 traps altogether maybe this week. So it'll take me probably 3 days to get them all out, but all right. This set right here, well, not this exact set, but this spot, I think I caught three last year out of here on this one. One of the meanest black ones I ever got. All right, on the video I couldn't tell there was a little pine tree behind the set, so I didn't know if that was, if he made that or if he used it for his backing. So I'm going to use this pine, put a little bit of urine on this set. I like to do that a good bit anyway. All right, what he wanted me to put in was Hiawatha Valley, Cryptic Coyote, and some Trapper Jay's Dunlap's Hellfire. So there's my Hiawatha Valley. Hiawatha Valley in there. There's Hellfire. There's Cryptic. Give me a stick. Stick right there, a little bit of Cryptic on it. Another stick with some Hellfire on it. I'm just going to lay it out here. I didn't make any extra holes for anything, so I'll just lay it right up in there. And he wanted me to use some bobcat urine, so I'm going to use this pine tree as something to hold my urine on, and that ought to do it. So Kentucky Prepper 5, I hope that's right, brother, and we'll see how it goes. I hope it hits. All right, well, this is the first time this happened to me this year. Got a catch circle right here on my trap. Something pulled out. Got a little bit of dark hair on it. I don't think it was a deer. I think it was something in here, because there's a catch circle. If it had been a deer, he'd just snatched his foot out. But I don't know. We'll get it remade and try it again. Well, all right, this is the second day of trap checks. Didn't have anything but that one pull out yesterday. As you can tell, it is raining. We got a lot of rain last night, so most of my sets are about mud puddles. But I put out that dog proof, keep the coons out. And did get one big old coon over here on the fence line, so at least he didn't get in my trap. So we'll get him out of here and check the next one. All right, guys, this is the trap that I set up here using Kentucky Prepper 5's baits and stuff he wanted me to try. And a big old fat-headed possum in here. I knew I should have put a dog proof out here and I didn't, so it came back to bite me. So I'll get him out, and I ain't remaking anything. It's too nasty out here today to remake, so I'll remake it tomorrow. Well, looks like it's possum day on the farm, so I'm too far away really to set a dog proof out here. So I'll get him out and remake this tomorrow, I guess. Half my sets are gonna be unmade for tonight. So, all right, you can tell there's a lot of water come down last night. Pasture's flooded, so. All right, guys, first coyote on this property this year. This is my Kentucky Prepper 5 set. So, your setup work, brother. He's a loud one. All right, we'll get him out of here right quick. All right, guys, here's a remake on that set. Baited it up with everything just the same way, except I didn't put any urine on it this time because there's plenty of coyote smell. He left me a little gift. I threw that up there on there. So maybe we'll catch another in this same set. There you go, Kentucky Prepper 5. That one was for you. All right, guys, I had yesterday, this set right here was dug up a little bit, and I touched it up, but it rained again last night. But I knew something was messing with it. Look right over there, I put a coon trap out on this creek, and I got a coon right over there. He's wrapped up in the fence, so I'm gonna go get him out. But I knew something had messed with this set. So maybe a coyote will find it tonight. Well, y'all, I appreciate you coming along. It wasn't a real exciting week, but today was day 6. We called that one coyote and I think 3 coons and some possums. But we'll keep back at it. Starting again tomorrow. Tomorrow will be day 7. We're just gonna keep on going till we start catching some. So I appreciate y'all coming along. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I reckon I'll see y'all on the next one.